In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a split test anywhere in Elementor in just a few seconds. If you don't know, a split test is the process of showing different versions of your website content to your customers and measuring which version makes you more money. That might be more sales, more form fill-outs, more contacts, more subscribes, more engagement, whatever it is that you're trying to optimize on your website. Now we've got Elementor and the plugin AB split test installed and activated. What we're going to do in this test is see if we can optimize this get a quote button. So we've got our first version here. It's the original. Let's go ahead and click on it, advanced, AB split test, and we will create a new test. We'll give it a name, call it the hero button test, and the goal we'll set when people visit our thank you page. Now we can set this as so many different things: page visits, form fill outs, element clicks, text on the page, scrolling, time engaging on the site, and so much more. You can also add other goals if you want to track your funnel or just any other metrics that you're interested in. You can set as many sub goals as you want. We'll start the test now, and you'll see here that under AB split test, the experiment has been called hero button test. And this is our original version, so let's just call it the original, spelling it correctly. Okay, now we can create our second variation, and because we're inside Elementor, all we need to do is duplicate the button and make our changes. Okay, so we've got our second variation. Let's just update the tags so that AB split test knows this is our other variation. So again, advanced AB split test. We make sure it's on the same experiment hero button and we give it a new variation name. So we'll call this one green. Now we hit publish and that test is created and running and collecting data on your live visitors. You'll see an AB split test admin bar menu here where you can choose from all the different tests that are currently running. We just created this hero button test here and we can see the original, or we can toggle to the green. Now that's a very simple test. You can improve menu items, theme layouts, headers, footers, page template styles, anything at all you want. You can also multivariate test the exact same way. Here we've got another heading and we've tested both the eyebrow and the heading. So you'll see there's the original and there is the new version. So it's ultra flexible. You can test the positioning of elements. You can test a heading against an image, against a video. It doesn't matter. As long as it's an Elementor widget, drop it in, tag it, and you're good to go. Now that test was just created, so there aren't going to be any results yet, but let me take you and show you some sample data. Here is a test and we've got 3 different variations. So in our example, we just created 2. This one has 3 variations. You can do as many as you like. Now we'll see we've got our 3 variations here. The third one, variation C, has a 10% uplift and a 94% chance of winning. Based on the number of visits and conversions, we run the statistics to tell you when you have a concrete answer on which variation is the best. So you'll see so far variation C is the winner with 104 extra conversions per year projected. I'll take you over now to a completed test. Here we have it. We'll see that the bold variation of this test is the winning, earning an extra $3,744 per year. Now that was how we set up a split test in Elementor in just a few seconds, but it works exactly the same way in this block editor, Bricks, Beaver Builder, and so many other page builders. We're deeply integrated so you're not spending your time jumping all over the place. Stay in your preferred builder, create a test, find the content that works the best with your customers, and make more money with the same traffic. You can download the free forever version and do exactly what I did in this on your website right now. Go to the website.